Well, markets didn't react to today's RBA minutes because there were no surprises therein. Just confirmation that a rate hike had been considered and rejected, with an affirmation that they reckon it's still possible to get inflation back to target, that is under 3%, in a reasonable time frame without moving away significantly from full employment, although this narrow path, as they've been calling it for years, is getting narrower. But it also depends a bit on what you define as full employment. 50 years ago it was 2% unemployment, of course, but the RBA thinks the current unemployment rate of 4% is too low, and that full employment is unemployment of about 4.5%. Anyway, the dollar slipped a bit before the minutes came out and is currently changing hands at 66.4 US cents. The share market also slipped, and the biggest news was that the chief executive of Bendigo and Adelaide Bank, Marnie Baker, is stepping down after 6 years running the regional bank. She's leaving on top, though, with the share price surging in May after a strong trading update. She tried to buy Suncorp Bank and fought tooth and nail to stop ANZ from buying it, but failed, and ANZ gets the keys to Suncorp next month. Marnie Baker's successor will be left without the scale to compete with the big four, but she has left him with a solid foundation. Iron ore jumped 3% last night. The US market rose a smidge, while stocks in Tokyo went up 1%. And as for the French market, well, il est tombé after the early result of the election there. So for markets, right wing is nice up to a point. And that's finance.